Now that we've created the mounts for the C-hooks, let's take a look at creating the C-hooks themselves. You have to use sweep to create a shape like this. For a sweep, we need a path, called a spine, and profile. Let's start with the hook profile. Tap on Right in the orientation cube. Zoom in and sketch a line anywhere. We'll position it later. Make it 20 mm long and lock it for now. From the end point on top, draw an arc. Zoom in a little and draw a second arc. We'll dimension them later. Now, select the line and center point. Notice a dimension label will pop up. Tap on the label and set the distance to 0. Select the smaller arc and give it a 15 mm radius. Select the bigger arc and give it a 15 mm radius as well. Zoom in a little, select the arc at the top, and define its angle. Set it to 290 degrees. Now we are done with the sketching. Let's move the sketch to its final position. Double-tap on the sketch to select all the connected lines. Go to Transform/Translate, tap Next. Drop the start point to the bottom of the line and drag the end point to the hole. Tap Done and zoom in a little bit. We are going to use the previously created circle as a profile. Just modify the radius to 5 mm. Select the circle and the full path and hit Sweep in the left menu. Select the hook's bottom edge and give it a 1 mm chamfer. Double-tap on the hook and give it a grayish color. Select it again and lower it into the mount 14 mm. Let's make a copy by selecting it and entering the Translate submenu. Tap Next and turn on Copy. Use the outside edges of the mount to snap both to the start and end points. Tap Done. And we're ready to move your sketches and bodies to the right folder in Items. In the next video, we'll use Mirror to further define the model.